A silent voice, or when literally translated from Japanese, The Shape of Your Voice, is a 2016 animation originally from the manga with the same name. After hearing a lot about this movie, I finally had this opportunity to watch it. So, without further ado, let me give you 5 reasons why you should definitely watch A Silent Voice. The central theme of the movie mainly revolves around the struggles of the young people, especially in a society where mental health is still frowned upon. The plot of the film covers a wide range of topics, such as the troubling side of communication issues in every field of life, the intolerant attitude of people towards disabled individuals as the young girl desperately tries her best to adjust and fit into the norm, the consequences of bullying that harms both the victim and the perpetrators in the long run, the dangerous aspect of guilt and isolation that can force anybody into the holes of worsening mental condition, as a result, demolishing their will to live. Other than that, the topics also range from incidents of high school romances, strong emerging friendships, to traumatizing past and mutual conflicts. It very accurately talks about various other obstacles such as cyberbullying, the challenges of a parent raising a child with disability, a mixed race couple, etc. Don't deceive yourself into thinking that it is a story only about the miseries and sorrows accumulated together. In fact, the film very beautifully and oftentimes dramatically illustrates the happiness and enjoyments that comes along their journey to adulthood. The deep-rooted friendships between all the characters can make us cry tears of joy at times. The film teaches us to find happiness in the simple tasks that we do in our day to day lives. It also teaches us to give importance to our families and to our loved ones. Overall, a wholesome bittersweet blend to warm up our hearts. If you are a person who is incapable of empathizing, then do not watch this movie. That is because all the characters are severely flawed and full of uncertainties. Throughout the movie, they make a lot of mistakes, and some of which are very silly and meager. However, it's better to see them as more human and credit the director for her wonderful job in depicting the different ages of human personality. Although it can be easy to typecast them into good or bad, it would be even easier for the audience to sympathize with the bad ones, whereas the good ones would often bother us through their simple mistakes. Every character has their own way of rationalizing their actions. Some blame themselves while some blame others. They all exist in a gray zone, making them precisely realistic. At the end of the movie, all the characters hold a special place in the heart of the audience as the director had wonderfully illustrated their growth and their journey. It is a movie that teaches us to be attentive and understanding. It shows us how each and every individual has a perspective of their own and urges us to see the world through the eyes of others. It is a healing and inspiring journey of all these people who slowly learn to apologize. They learn to express and accept themselves. They learn to be kind and they learn to change. The visual artwork is, in one word, captivating. The soft color palette perfectly balances with the message the film conveys. The beautiful soundtrack does a great job in matching the emotions of the characters and the frames displayed. Lastly, this is a story that will no way disappoint you. So, brace yourself for the emotional roller coaster and watch this masterpiece if you haven't already.